US Bancorp, ticker USB, is down 4% as we're recording this video. Now, what is the catalyst and what are the levels we're paying attention to? So firstly, just go through the catalyst reason. And again, maybe add anything if I'm wrong here, but the sell-off doesn't make complete sense to me because all we've seen them do is come in with increasing revenue guidance. So again, they've increased it from 6.9 billion to 7.1 for Q3. So again, that's usually a positive thing. The only other news I can really see coming out, but I'd be surprised that we sell off this hard off it, is that they're going to issue new credit cards made from recycled plastics for their Visa signatures and altitude. So again, I mean, normally this would be taken more as good just for their ESG rating. I don't think it would really deter clients from joining, even though normally as an end user, not something you usually like. Normally the cards are a lot more flimsy. But again, I don't think that really justifies the sell-off. So if I'm missing anything, let us know in the comments. But we will now go over the key technical levels that we're paying attention to on this stock. So just to quickly note the resistances in case this is kind of a quick pullback that gets bought up and we continue to the upside. We're looking at 37.90, 39.15 as a first set of resistances. And if we can break that, we have then strong resistances at $44 and $45, which are obviously going to be nice because they're also psychological levels. If we go higher, we have one more resistance to be paying attention to, and this is the 5-year anchored VWAP. So this is an anchored VWAP, so a normal VWAP but anchored 5 years back, and that's at 46.50, which will be a strong resistance if we push to these upside targets. So again, these are targets if you're normally a long bias trader, or these can be short bias levels if you're more of a reversal trader. Now to cover the downside, because obviously we are selling off as of right now. So as supports, we have the max anchored VWAP at $32. So this is a level I really like the look of. So what a max anchored VWAP is a VWAP anchored from when this stock first IPO'd. So normally the way we use this level is if you're especially an investor, this is a great way to look at a stock. If you buy or if you own the stock, your average of the stock is under this value. That's what you want as an investor. And then, you know, obviously as you're above, you should always be in profit. So normally when you come down to this level and test it as a support, normally acts as a really strong support just because, again, this is where fair value on the stock is since it's IPO'd. So if we come into this, you tend to see a lot of orders sitting here, and that's where you can tend to get bounces. So a long bias level I'm paying attention to is definitely $32. Now, if we did sell off any further, though, we do have a $27.70 and a $26 support to also be paying attention to.